Hi everyone, my name is Lauren with TBP Converting. Today we're going to be talking about Nitto SPV 9320. Nitto 9320 is an acrylic-based surface protection tape that offers versatile protection to almost all metals and coats, including mullion and textured surfaces. This clear tape is unique to the market and allows you to see defects throughout the entire manufacturing and installation process. Nitto 9320 has a special PE film coated with a pressure-sensitive acrylic-based adhesive system and has a higher adhesive coat weight compared to Nitto 224. Nitto 9320 offers up to 6 months of UV protection and does not leave a residue when removed. This product is suitable for protecting rough and textured surfaces during light mechanical processes, storage, and transportation. Nitto 9320 is most used for exterior architectural and customer-facing projects, including curtain wall and glass wall units. At TBP, we have stock of Nitto 9320 as well as numerous other Nitto products to ensure you keep all of your surfaces protected during installation. As always, TBP can custom fabricate 9320 by rewinding it down to just a couple of feet, as well as cut it down to a couple of inches through our slitter. For more information on this or any other product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.